What up, YouTube? This is the man 7431 coming back to y'all with another video. And I got a couple of unboxings for you guys. If you guys checked out my videos that I did while I was on vacation, I did a unboxing video and install video on something called, and I think it was called Intelli Shield Glass HD. I know I'm probably saying that wrong, but anyway, in that video, if you guys checked out the video, you probably noticed that the screen protector didn't cover the whole entire phone. And I had put a notation in the video saying that, I had talked to the seller of the actual screen protector, and he was gonna send me out another one, which he did last week, but I got so tied up in work and I had other stuff to do. I just didn't really have time to do that video for last week. So he ended up, let me tell you the reason why I ended up having two of these. The first time he sent it out, it was like 2-3 days later, and the tracking information never updated. So he thought, like I thought, something was wrong. It must have got lost in the mail. So he just resent me another one. So I don't know which is which, because both envelopes are about the same, and they all feel the same. So I don't know. I know one's supposed to be the one that I've got on the phone now, and then one's supposed to be like a pro version, which is the full size. It's supposed to fit the whole entire screen. So I'm going to go ahead and open up both of these so I'll know what's up, and we'll just pick out the one that we're supposed to use on the screen, like right now, like the bigger version. So let's go ahead and crack this one. Right, and I believe this is the one this is the one right here, guys. All right, slide this out the way here. All right, so this is the pro version. Is going to cover the whole entire screen. Okay, and then this one has, whoops, I'll just show that on camera. Hope I just didn't show that on camera, guys. If I did, I'll just edit it out. And you guys are probably thinking, what is he talking about? I was talking about my address. When I flipped that, I wasn't paying any attention. So you guys might have seen where I live at, but I'll just edit it out and fix it. Okay, and this is the original. This is the one I did the video of when I was on vacation for the 2 weeks, and it didn't quite fit the phone, which I have the phone right here. And as you can see, on the edges, it didn't completely cover the phone. And something else too I want to point out, guys, if I can get this to focus. You see where it's kind of still not all the way on the screen? it's kind of like lifted up a little bit, which, I mean, it's not lifted up, it's flush down, but it's not like down to like the center of the screen. You know, like the rest of the screen is like flushed. Even if you pressed down on this, it's still not like completely all the way down. Now, for some people, that can get pretty annoying. Like I said, when I did the unboxing and the install on my Note 3, when I put that smoky black glass on there, didn't have any problems with that at all. It was just, you know, it just all flushed down on the screen. There wasn't any of this type of stuff here to where it's not touching the screen. So I don't know, but that can get pretty annoying. But yeah, we're going to go ahead and take this off of here, and then we're going to install the Pro version and see if it will leave this stuff on the edges. I hope not. Let me go ahead and take this case off of here. Yeah, I've been rocking this case on here ever since I got this phone, guys. So just gonna put this to the side here. As you can see, there is a lot of dust and stuff that kind of got around there since I've had that on there. Let's go ahead and try to get this off of here. All right, comes off pretty easy. Yeah, I mean, it's pretty decent little quality glass. I don't know, maybe just the way it was manufactured. I mean, you can feel the sticky residue on the back. I mean, it's okay, but anyway, put that to the side. Just lay this down here. Get this out of the way. We don't really care much for this one, so we're just gonna put this to the side. Probably give that to somebody, probably at work that's got a Nexus 6. It's probably using a little plastic one. Probably let them have that. It's better than not having any glass screen protector at all. So all right, well, it doesn't come with that really nice glory packaging that was with the other one that I did the other unboxing on. Just lay it there on the phone. Mainly the same stuff, basically. You know, you got the little booklet here, which is just information. All right, so let's compare both glasses. Now, this this glass here has a little black frame going all the way around it here. This one doesn't. It's just a regular piece of glass. And you remember when I showed you guys the phone earlier? Remember I showed you that it was kind of raised up on the edges? It looks like that they realized that a lot of people didn't like that with the original glass. So that's probably why they put that black rim around here and around the bottoms and stuff to try to eliminate that ugly looking lift up effect on the edges, because that did look pretty bad and I didn't like that. I told you guys in the video when I was installing that and looked at it when it was finally installed, I didn't like that. So it looks like with the Pro version, they finally fixed that problem by putting the black border around it so you won't see that as much. So let me go ahead, guys, and pause this video so I can go ahead and wipe down the phone and get it prepped and ready to go, and then I'll start it back up. I'll probably go ahead and install it on the phone, just because last time I did this, it was kind of off a little bit because I was doing it behind the scenes and I couldn't see what I was doing. So I'm going to pull back. I'm going to clean the phone up real good, and I'm going to apply this on, and then I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what it looked like afterwards. So just hold on. I'll be right back. All right, guys, I've got the glass screen protector on here. And as you can see, let me try to focus this in, guys. The phone, as far as the screen protector, looks okay on the top edge, the left edge, and the bottom. But when you get to the right side, if you guys could see there, I was having problems getting that side to stick, basically to lay down properly to where you won't get any bubbling. So even with the Pro version, you still get the same bubbling issues as you get with the original. So I'm still not really happy with that. Let me go ahead and just throw the case back onto this here, guys. I wouldn't recommend anybody to go out and buy these screen shields because, as you can see, you can really see it now. Right there on the right hand side, you can see a little bit on the left hand side too. Let me get the squeegee. Sorry if I'm kind of off the camera here, guys. I don't even know what I even did. There it is. Let me try to use this so I can show you guys, because I know a lot of you guys are probably sitting at home like, just use the squeegee that came with it. And the squeegee isn't really doing any good. It's just this glass whatever they use is, because it looks like that it's taking it out when you see me going down the side of it here. But as you see me passing it, it's still there. It's like you can't, they just won't leave. I mean, I didn't try lifting it up again and laying it back down, and they just won't go anywhere, guys. I do not recommend these, guys. I'm sorry. I don't recommend these at all. Go ahead and spend the additional money and just buy the real name brand glass screen protectors for your phones, tablets. If I had to put these on a scale, from a scale from 1 to 10, these wouldn't even go on a scale. I would definitely give these a 0. Guys, just because you see it cheap doesn't mean it's going to be good. I mean, it's good premium glass, but with the air bubbles and stuff, it's just not a go for me. I'm sorry, but it's just not worth it. I don't even know if I even want to get this to my friend. I probably just throw this mess in the trash and just take that $8 loss and just walk with it. You know what I'm saying? But I don't recommend these. If you guys see these on eBay or any other website, stay away from them. They're no good. They're trash. Save up your money. Spend that $20, $30 and buy the real name brand ones. You ain't gonna have to worry about no air bubbles and none of that crazy stuff that I'm experiencing right now with both of them, the Pro and the regular. You're still gonna get air bubbles. As you can see on my phone here, I installed it, and you still got air bubbles right along the side of it, which is still annoying. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up, comment down below, like this video, subscribe to this channel. If you know any really good deals on the real brand glass screen protectors, drop me a comment down below, send me a link. Probably go ahead and drop on a real one and do an unboxing and install all of that. Just wanted to put this out there, guys, so you don't make the same mistake that I did. This is the man 7431 signing out, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.